Microwave by Hugo. My goal is to make a machine that can make food warm. I use Raspberry Pi and a motor and some wires. I programmed it to move a disc. Also, I made it so you can know how much time you want it to move. Rethink test. I accidentally thought the cardboard would fit, but it didn't. Thank you for watching. Now I'm turning on the thing. It says welcome. Enter the time, and then now you can enter the time. So if you want to do 10 seconds, then you can do 0, 0, and then 1, 0. And it will beep after that. Very loud.
Awesome. Cool.
So, any questions?
Yeah, usually a microwave, when you open the door,
Yeah.
it stops the timer. Can you think of a way you could do that?
Maybe. I mean, cardboard is not really electric.
Okay.
You can't put any
Sure.
energy inside.
So you need some sort of sensor, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like a sensor on the back if
It detects air moving faster.
yeah. No, in the front, so then it detects your hand, and after that it'll stop when you open it.
Okay.
And so yeah, maybe.
Okay. Anyone else have questions for him? No? All right, let's give him a round of applause.